speed up?
Nope, just hold on for a second. Just want to make sure the system is good. Okay, you can see that as we get closer to our altitude, the VS just goes off because it's levering off. Just want to make sure that. Okay, this is good. Okay, you can see that we have created a cross section. Means we are cutting in. Okay, that's fine. So we have some distance to go. We have 16 nautical miles to go, same as yours. You can see that. Okay, we're going to engage a little bit of the autopilot system to help us descend as well. So first of all, we're going to put 1,000 feet on the altitude. Okay, you realize that once you do that, nothing has happened. Reason behind is we have not asked it to start descending. Okay, we don't need it until we are much closer, about 10 miles. That's good enough. Okay, you can see that we are getting closer, 15 nautical miles now. That's good. I'll make all the radio calls for you, so not to worry. So over here, what we're going to do next is a touch and go. Okay, touch and go is where the aircraft comes in, touch on the runway, we're going to continue and then take off again. Okay. So it's a continuous process. Okay, you can see we are getting close. So I'm going to get you to press this button over here called LNAV, lateral navigation. So you're supposed to turn us onto the finals of the runway. If you look outside, I'll point out where the runway is to you. It's over here. Okay, this is MACAU area. So the runway we're going for is on closer to you.
Here.
Yes. So as you come in closer, you're going to see it clearer because we are still quite a distance away. So not really on the scale of it. Okay. So we are looking quite good. Everything is set. Okay. We have put in the frequency earlier on. I told you this is a communication panel as well as a nav aids. Okay. If you look on the screen over here, we have a diamond that is not solid. It's just a hollow diamond. Okay. Once we are within range, you'll become solid like now. And you'll start to move down. That is called the glide slope. Okay. What it does is it gives us a signal from the runway. It will tell us whether our aircraft is too high or too low for the landing. Okay. So currently it's trying to move down from the top towards the next dot. Okay. We want to always keep this diamond at the center bar as much as we can. Okay. So currently it's passing through the next dot. Once it's in between the dot and the bar, we can bring the undercarriage down. Flight experience 556, 10 mile approach to Chaplin Court, Hong Kong, 07 left. Okay, let's bring the undercarriage down. Okay. Continue approach report on final flight 556. Press VS, which is called vertical speed. There's a down and an up, so let's go down. So minus, as in scroll the other way, minus 1,200. That's good, just for now. Okay, reduce speed to 160. So all these are through autopilot system. You see, we are still engaging the autopilot to get it to help us to descend, to get to a place that we want to go. Okay, very nicely done. You can see that the diamond is slowly coming back in. Same as yours on your screen as well. If you look outside, you can slowly figure out the runway now. Okay, so we are going for this runway on the left. Okay, we are coming still at the angle, that's fine. We are making it through. We have 7.7 nautical miles to go. The diamond is coming in very nicely. The speed is reducing. Well done. Okay, this is the other runway. So as we come in, today there's not many other aircrafts. If you look at the screen, there's actually one aircraft over here. Okay, it says plus 80, and it's 81 now, and it's climbing. It means it's plus 8,400 feet above us, and it's still climbing. So it's somewhere on top. That's fine. We can't really see it's too far up. That's okay. So not to worry. Looking very good. Okay, what I'm going to get you to do is press approach now. Okay, what it does, it will recapture itself. Approach is a setting where you'll keep the diamond for us on the center as much as possible. That's good. So it no longer follow the VS, which is vertical speed. Okay, you can see that we're about 1,700 feet. When we come close to about 1,000 feet, I'll disconnect the autopilot system. I'll get you to do the landing. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's put flaps to 15. Flaps to 15. So lift it up to 15. That's good. So we come about 4 miles to go. Or 4.5 miles to go. That's good. Okay. Flaps 30. Flight experience 556 on a 4 mile final.
Flight experience 556. Clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, flight 556. Okay, we are given clearance for touch and go. That's good. You're coming about 1,000 feet. I'm going to disconnect the autopilot system for you.
Okay.
Okay, first thing I disconnect is the control column yoke. You have control. Come towards the right. Come towards the right. 1,000 feet above ground. That's good. Speed is good. Okay, you can see that the diamond is slowly moving up.
Yeah.
So we have to move up as well. So pull back towards you. Pull back. Some more. A little bit more. Okay, look at the runway. So come towards the left. So aim to the aircraft towards the runway itself. So a little bit more. That's good. Okay, you realize that you are climbing a bit. So check forward. That's good. Making small corrections as we get closer. Okay, that's not too much. Just a little bit back pressure now. A little bit back pressure. You're not. Yep, that's right. So aim towards the runway. Okay, aim towards the threshold of the runway. Aim here.
Okay.
So higher. Pull back towards you. That's good. That's good. So towards the left a little bit. Pull back a little bit. That's good. Because we're cutting a bit too low. Okay. 100 feet.
Yeah.
Raise the nose to the end of the runway. I'll help you out. Right hand on the thrust lever over here.
Yeah.
Right hand on the thrust lever. Close the power. Okay. Raise the nose. Slowly. That's good. That's good. We have landed. Okay. I'll give you flaps 15. You can slowly bring the power up to 100%. Okay, keep bringing up. That's good. Well done. Okay, you can see that our speed is already quite high. That's good. So it's currently 123. Alright, coming up a little bit more. V1, both ends together. And rotate, pull back. That's good. Just like just now. But this time around, we're going to do a manual takeoff. So do not turn first. Okay, keep the aircraft balanced. That's good. Positive rail climb. Undercarriage comes up. That's good. Flaps up to 5. So relax. Drop it in first because it's a groove. Drop it in. 5. That's good. Okay, coming to 1,000 feet. Let's bring the power back to 80. Okay, but as you bring the power back, do not drop your nose. If not, we're going to start descending. That's good. Okay, we're going to keep climbing up to 3,000 feet. Not to worry about this. Okay, just going to bring it to 0. So it doesn't affect us. That's good. Okay, allow the nose to be about 12.5. Currently it's not an autopilot system, so you are controlling the aircraft. Okay, so when you're ready, come towards the right a little bit where you are now. That's good. Do remember the nose not below 10, so we'll keep climbing. That's good. Okay, you can see that the heading bug is at 100 now. Okay, so bring the heading bug towards the center, which you are trying to do it. That's good. Okay, you can see that we are 1,000 feet to go. Well done.
Okay, it's fine.
So a little more to the right. Okay, I'll get the after takeoff checks for you for this one. Okay, we're coming to 3,000 feet. So lower the nose down first. Bring the nose down. Okay, to 5, which is around here. And then bring the power back to 55. Okay, let's stop turning. Okay, you can see that you're descending quite a bit because as you bring the power back, the nose will want to drop even further. So keep the nose high a little bit more, just to maintain at about 3,000 feet. Okay, slowly your speed will come back as well. That's good. You can see that the diamond is ready in because we're very close, so that it's easier for us to work with. Flight experience 556 on 10-mile approach to Kai Tak runway 13.
It's 50?
55. 55, so a little bit more. Continue approach. Report on final flight 556. So if you look outside now, okay, keep the nose high altitude. If you look outside now, there's Hong Kong. This entire area is Hong Kong. Checkout is just right at the back over here. Okay, where we're gonna go is go to this place called Checkerboard Hill. Okay, which is over here. So what we're going to get to do is we're going to start coming in for an approach. So do not allow the aircraft nose to keep dropping. So that's one thing. Next thing is we can bring the undercarriage down now. Okay. So until it's stabilized, then you can slowly bring the nose down. So slowly push forward. That's good. Okay, we're going to get to turn to the left. So let's turn left. So here is Checkerboard Hill. So point the aircraft towards this direction. So but do not let it drop too quickly. So control the descent. Flaps to 15. That's good. It's 15. Okay. So aim towards Checkerboard Hill, towards the left a little bit more. This is the place. in the aircraft here. So you realize that you're climbing a little bit, isn't it? So check forward, that's good. Always control the aircraft.
Okay.
That's good. Very nicely done. A little bit more to the left. So how do we know whether we are too high or too low? You can look at your diamond.
Yeah.
So if your diamond is within the bar, that's okay. You're managing it, that's good. We are carrying about 6 miles to go to the runway. Well done. You see that the graphic is pretty good because we can actually see the Hong Kong Harbour, which is out on the right hand side. Okay, the main area, the business districts on either side of the islands. Okay, this is where it all started in Hong Kong. Okay, where they first built the runway, and then everyone's, oh, I'm gonna stay near the runway to get some business done. This is all happening.
Yeah.
Okay, let's check back into our screen. You can see the diamond is slowly moving up, so we're gonna move up a little bit. Okay, we are coming about 4 miles. Let's put flaps to 30. Flaps to 30.
30.
Okay, power to 70.
Power to...
Okay, as you power, your aircraft want to climb, so check forward. That's good. Okay, this time around we're going to come in for landing, so auto brakes to 2. Okay, speed brake arm. So lift it up first, just here we'll do. So lift it up, just a little bit here. Let go.
Okay.
So what we do is just arm it, that's good. Okay, we're coming about 1,000 feet to the ground.
Where is the runway?
The runway is over here.
Okay, so we have to take a
Yes,
right.
we have to take a right turn. Okay, this is Checkerboard Hill. If you look on your left, it's very close to the hills as well.
Oh, okay.
So come towards the right a little bit. Okay, so keep coming in. Now we can slowly make the right turn into the runway. Or onto the runway center line at least. Okay, we're coming about 700 feet. Turn right. Turn right. That's good. So do remember as you turn right, a little bit of back pressure so that we don't get too low. That's good. Okay, not too much though that we are climbing. Okay, so you have to keep coming in. That's good. 500 feet, right hand on the thrust lever. Just stand by. Okay, that's good. You can see that we are pointing down a little bit, so raise the nose up a little bit. If you look outside, those are the peppy lights. 2 right, 2 raise, what you're aiming for. That's good. Okay, a little bit more to the right. Come towards the right. That's good. Okay, very nicely done. That's good. Okay. Raise the nose to the end of the runway. Not the power. Raise the nose. Not too much. Not too much. 50. Close the power. Okay. So allow the aircraft to glide in. So raise the nose a little bit more now. That's good. Let it come in. It drops. That's good. Okay. Reverse thrust. Reverse thrust. This over here. Okay. Speed brake is fine. Not to worry. So come towards the right of that runway. Come towards the right using the rudders. Using your feet on the ground. We do not control the control column anymore. Okay. Control column remains center. That's good. Reverse thrust below 70. Disengage the auto thrust. Bring it down. That's good.
Okay.
Okay. Now we can use the brakes, which is on top of the rudders. So lift your feet up onto the top.
Okay.
Okay.
No.
Okay, I'll help you out with this. Not to worry, it's all good.
Okay.
Okay. That's good. So what I'm going to get you to do is just taxi us out of the runway itself. Okay, how you do that is using the rudders. So your hand, you can put on your thigh. Okay, right hand on over here. So I'm going to help you out. So you can feel that I'm pushing in a bit on the left. Okay, so push more. We're going to turn left here.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to taxi to the apron.
Okay.
Okay, just a little bit of power. You can see how fast you are over here. Not too much. Okay, so a little bit of power, a lot of, not too much. Below 4 is what you want. Okay, you can see there's a center line over here. Okay, we're going to keep turning left. So remember, use the rudders, not the control column. That's good. Okay, keep turning. So we want this center line to be cutting in the center of us, or in the center of the aircraft. That's good. Okay, I'm going to help you to keep away all the other surfaces. Okay. So you just concentrate on the taxiing
this line,
using this line. That's right. Okay, the apron is over here. That's good. So first thing we're going to disengage is the